Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. I got a call from my friend Bob Carey. He has a radio program and we were talking about honeybees versus native bees. And we had a local business who put in a pollinator garden and specifically stuck honeybees hives in the garden. Hello from Mr. Lynx. And I told Bob, I think it was well-intentioned that they decided to put in a pollinator garden, but I think it's not well-intentioned, and maybe they just didn't understand that honeybees are not the worker bees of the garden. Your worker bees are right there. That is a native bee. Those yellow baskets are full of pollen, and they are busy, busy, busy bees early here in the morning, 7:30. Visiting this catmint. Now, Lynx loves catmint. That's why he's sitting here. He would like me to give him some. And these native bees love catmint, and there are 3 already on here. It's a little cool this morning, and that's one thing that you need to understand about native pollinators. Native pollinators are not as sensitive as honeybees in terms of pollination. In the state of Pennsylvania, we have apples. We're a huge agriculture state, and the apple population they estimate that our native bees contributed over $4 billion to the Pennsylvania economy last year. $4 billion. That's not a small amount of money, guys. It's a huge amount of money. And it's these guys that are doing the heavy lifting. So I think years ago, people thought that, we need to save the honeybees, and that was admirable. We need to save the butterflies. I'm a monarch waystation. I completely agree, But the guys we really need to be worried about are these guys right here, which are native bees. There are 400 here in the state of Pennsylvania. And you can see how hard they're working. So native bees show up early. They stay late. If they were workers, they're the workers you'd want in your business. And they're certainly what you want in your garden, because you see how hard they're working. So, if you don't have catmint, mine is trailing over the side. It literally died to the ground this past winter because we had a lot of snow and cold. But you see it came right back, and the bees love it, and Mr. Lynxy loves it. Right, Lynx? Have a great day. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.